Coming to you from my drum room, what we have on the ceiling here is a Gulf Coast Super Brass Tiara from 1993. This is in my drum room here, so I do need a big powerful fan for in here. I do have a light kit on here since I don't have a light in here, and that's the fan. There's the light. And we'll start off on low in downdraft. The blades are in like high gloss cherry and piano black gloss on the top end. And the bearings are a bit stiff and kind of noisy, kind of whirly. Go over here. Now this is in super brass, whereas the top mount is bright brass. Now you can see the difference is a little different. The top is a little bit more yellow. Over here, the fob. Yes, these are Casablanca light shades, which I thought were better than the frosted shades that were in here. Anyway, let's go to medium. Pretty sure this was their being Dance Fan City's highest end fan at the time. That was, or at least the most powerful fan that they sold. Pretty sure it was the Tiara here. This motor here is a 188 by 20 spinner. Just stamp steel. Nothing too special, but it's still pretty beefcakey. Alright, we'll step it up to high. It's probably doing 200 RPM, 210 at least. These are some honking blades. The light. And it is reversible. So I'll just kill everything. Switch it to reverse. It does put on the brakes quite easily. And put on the fan again. Sounds like a glass is rattling or something like that. But yeah, those bearings are not the best, to say the least. But it's still a powerful fan for what I need it for, especially for drumming. And we'll do spin down from high. Go over here again. Come in the light. Let's get the whole thing in the frame. There we go. One blade is out of clock because when I did get this fan off of Let Go, it was doing the fan stand. Those unaware what the fan stand is, keep the blades on, take the fan down, downrod, and I'll just throw it on the ground. and let it rest on the blades. So, yeah. That was that. Oh, and the black side of the blades were facing down too, but I like the rosewood better. Cherry, or not really sure what it is, but there we go. That's that. Let's get a close up on these blades here. Focus. Yeah, there we go. And there we have it. The 56-inch Gulf Coast Tiara in super brass from 1993.